Phoenix Radio, your student radio station.
So then, like always, joining us on a Friday, we are graced in the studio to have the presence of Mr. F and Miss M. I had to think of his surname then. Oh, I'm loving the big whoop. Let's hear your whoop, Mr. F. Tom, do you want to give us a whoop? He's popped in the studio to play today's game. Anyway, for anyone who tunes into the show very regularly, you will know it's a true or false quiz. Aim of the game is very, very simple. I'm going to be reading out some true or false questions, and there's sort of a time limit on it, but there's 3 questions each. Okay?
We can cope with that maths.
You can cope with that maths, can you? Well, I'd like to think you could cope, Mr. F.
Mr. F can't really cope.
Not so sure.
He claims he's a mathematician.
No, I don't claim I'm a mathematician.
I don't know.
I help others learn maths. That's not the
I
same.
don't know about his prime numbers though.
No, he doesn't know about his prime numbers.
I am an Englishist.
An Englishist. Very nice. That's your own word, is it, miss?
That's correct.
Very nice. Right then, let's crack on with the quiz then. Are you ready to play, everyone? Can I have some sort of a whoop?
Whoop whoop.
Friday. That is a poor
Come
whoop.
on, Tom, get
Right,
involved.
all 3 of you. 1, 2, 3.
Woo!
Question 1.
How we
This is
starting
for
then?
Miss M. Walmart generates $303 million in revenue every 7 minutes.
True.
Americans can eat nearly 50 acres of pizza every day. That's approximately 350 slices per second, Mr. F.
True.
I can tell you, that is false. Now, Tom, forest fires move faster downhill than uphill.
False.
Miss M, electrons are larger than protons.
True.
False. Mr. F, atomic bombs work by atomic fusion.
True.
Yes. Tom, here we go. Spiders have 6 legs. It's actually false. It's actually 8. Right.
Okay, we've only had 2 questions
Yep.
each.
Final questions now.
Okay.
Miss M, 9 times 8 is 72.
That's easy. Come on, miss, that's easy.
True.
Right, Mr. F, pi can be correctly written as a fraction.
Oh, this is gonna be embarrassing if he gets it wrong.
He's going red.
7/22, Luke.
Wow. According to my research,
Is that approximate though?
it says definitely. So I'm gonna have to give you a wrong for that one, unfortunately, Mr. F.
I get it wrong,
That's
yeah.
disappointing, that is. And Tom, your question is 121 divided by 11 is 11. True or false?
True.
Yes! Right. Let's do the maths, Mr. F, and see if you can get this one right.
I'm almost resigned to just walking out of the studio in embarrassment, shame.
Mr. F, what are the scores?
Well, we were all square before the maths question.
I cannot believe.
He did say he wasn't a mathematician.
I did have great confidence in you, Mr. F, to get that one right. So, the scores are? With pride, Mr. F, go on, do it.
No, Miss Monday's going to read them out. Okay, Miss Monday, Miss M got 2 points. Tom got 2 points. I got 1, which means at the end of all that, after 2 weeks, I'm on 4, Tom is on 4, and Miss M is on 3 points.
Ooh. I've got to say,
And I think after that, I don't think I'm going to be allowed back on the radio.
I think it was quite a tough one this week, to be honest with you. And I thought I'd try and catch you out with those. Like 3 questions for each of you, math style. Next week it'll be English, to see if Miss M really does know her English. See if she knows her stuff. And after that, it'll be something to do with free running for you, Tom. Don't worry about that. I'm a really good quiz host. I like to think anyway. But anyway, thanks so much for joining us in the studio, Mr. F, Miss M, and Tom for making a special effort to come in as well. And we're going to leave you off. Well, leave you off? Go on to our next song now. Have a great weekend, guys. Anything interesting you want to share?
No, it's been a great pleasure. See you next week.
See you next week. Anyway, here's our next song.